Hey, welcome back to Whitetail Garage. On this week's episode, I've got a couple of things to get some fluid in it, and I want to take care of the instrument cluster. Alright, so as usual on these Foxes, right, I have where the upper bezel is supposed to, instrument cluster bezel is supposed to bolt in, and they have both broken on both sides. So LMR has this awesome kit. I mean, you could probably make this pretty easily yourself, but with LMR already having put the whole kit together with instructions, and they give you all of the factory, stuff you need to make it happen, even include a drill bit, and then these are the two brackets that really make that happen. So I'm going to install that now. I know LMR has a good video on how to do this, and they've got an install video that you can go watch, so I'm not going to necessarily show the install video, but I'll tell you what I think after I get it done. Alright, so we got that hole drilled. This is all solid plastic, everything's good. Came over here to drill this hole in down here and noticed that all of this plastic is busted, right? So that is a problem. But I have that hot stapler. And so that will basically embed these, if I can get it to focus. That will embed these wires into that plastic and make it just as strong as stock, if not stronger. So I have a video where I show this off a little bit. I'll link to it so you can see how these work. Alright, install complete. Got the bolts in, kind of hard to see through the glass, but alright, so got the cluster in. It's solid as a rock, which is nice. But we'll say I was a little surprised at the difficulty level, and it was all around getting the bolt aligned to the hole on the top of the bracket. There's really no way to do it better than that, other than maybe if they took the brackets all the way to the frame, the metal frame of the dash. That might be better, but it'd be a lot bigger bracket, it'd be a lot more intricate install, and it'd cost a lot more money. It's pretty inexpensive, and for a little bit of headache, probably took me about, I don't know, 45 minutes to complete, which I thought took longer than it should, but again, it was just getting those bolt holes aligned, and I think every car is different. So otherwise, I was impressed, and it's as solid as it was whenever it was new. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.